Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Sorry if you can hear some things in the background. Dad's in the living room. But I wanted to do a quick video while I have some makeup on because I decided to film this look and I haven't done a look in forever, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see this look because this is actually a different video. So a couple weeks ago I got the opportunity to film with LA Splash Cosmetics in Los Angeles. So if you've been on their page before or their Instagram, you will have seen my face. And I've been posting some of the content that I filmed with them on my social media as well. But I wanted to show you guys some of the items that I was given during my little filming session. So I got 4 pairs of lashes from their Golden Gatsby. It's their 3D faux mink lashes. I forgot the name of this one. I'll have to look it up. But it's this guy here. And then I got this one, which is called 1920. Just looks like that. I got this pair, which is called Gold Digger, which are beautiful. I can't wait to try these out. And then last but not least, I got Afternoon Tea, which are these babies here. So gorgeous. The last minute, I asked the representative if I could actually get some of the liners because they didn't originally give me some, and I've been dying to try them. So I just went ahead and was like, can I get a couple? And these are the colors that I chose. They are stunning. The white is my absolute favorite. I'm gonna actually swatch that for you so you guys can see, like, they're so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And then let me just go ahead and do one more. I don't want to swatch them all because there's swatches everywhere over the internet. This one is called Fool's Gold. And it's like super pretty. But they're like glitter liners, so. At first I was like, but I've definitely fallen in love with them. They are gorgeous, especially the silver. So that's Fool's Gold. And then they gave me 2, actually filmed with both of these, and they're the Diamond Dust eyeshadows. I filmed with Pasonic and Smoky Quartz, which are these babies here. And they are loose shadows. So that is Smoky Quartz. And let me see if I can show you the Pasonic. I hope I said that right, but it's a beautiful smoky purple. And if you check out my videos on Instagram and their Instagram, then you will definitely see those 2 products in use. Stick with eyes. So I did get the Till Midnight Elixir eyeshadow primer, which is this guy here. And this, I was like, at first I was kind of like skeptical because I had never used it before. And when I used it on camera, it was actually my first time trying it, and it was amazing. Like, it really worked. It actually lasted my whole drive home from LA, and it was like 2 hours because of traffic. And then I got this really cool lipstick, and I did also film with this lipstick. It's the color Daisy, and it's a beautiful red, and I love how it has like a little mirror and everything. It's so awesome. I got some lash glue, but that was just because I needed lash glue to put some of their lashes on. That wasn't like actually a part of it. I probably should have took all of this out. And then I got 2 other eyeliners. Let me set these aside. One is this like dual-ended liner, and it has a chunky liner on this side, and it's a beautiful black. And then it has a pink frosted liner, and I used that one on camera as well. A lot of the stuff I filmed with, I did quite a few like little snippets in the 2 hours I was there. And then I also have this one, which is another liquid liner, which is their Golden Gatsby Live Wire. And then I got 2 lip liners in the shade Calligraphy and Terracotta, which are these babies here. And you can tell I used this one on camera. So I think I used that one like 2 or 3 times, and then I used another one from like the set of stuff that was in front of me. And then this is absolutely gorgeous. I forgot the color because it came off, but it's the Golden Gatsby Glam Gloss, and it's like super pigmented. It's insane. Like, I need the nude version of this, honestly. So let me show you. So that's the Golden Gatsby gloss. And then I got 2 of their like kind of liquid lipsticks. The only thing that kind of sucks is the names are like these little stickers and they come off. So this one's Dragon's Blood, and I don't remember what this dark blue one is, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you. And these like are so out of order, but it's okay. So let me put those aside. So that's the dark blue and then the pink here. And then I also filmed with this Lip Couture waterproof liquid lipstick in the color Retro Betty. Let me show you that. It's so pretty. It's like the perfect kind of like muted orange. And then I have this liner, which is for the brows. It's just a brow liner, and that's pretty much everything that I got, which was pretty fun and pretty cool because I've been wanting to try like more of their products for like the longest time, and they are kind of pricey. So it was really great opportunity to be able to film with everyone and like meet some of the, you know, important people there, and just all the people were wonderful. All the employees that I met were like super great. They helped me out. Whatever I needed, they brought to me. They even gave me snacks. I was like, oh my goodness, I wasn't expecting it at all. So it was great to have my first like in studio filming session. It was pretty cool. And I hope there are more in the future for me because that would be amazing. And it was super fun. But if you want to see more, you know, videos, I did have a few little clips that I will like add at the end here. And I hope you guys like this little video, my little haul from, such an awesome experience. I can't even talk, but thanks for watching. I hope you guys rate, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that notification bell because they will not show you the videos. And you trust me, you want to stay updated. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.